doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to check the PowerShell version on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So all you need to do is go ahead and open up the start menu. Just click on the start button one time. Type in Windows PowerShell. Best match should come back with Windows PowerShell. Right click on it, and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now in this Windows PowerShell window, I'm going to have a command pasted in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it, and then go up to the top bar of this Windows PowerShell window, right click one time, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. And once it's pasted in here, you just want to hit Enter. So whatever is across from PS version, this is the version of your Windows PowerShell. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.